Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today on my channel, we are going to be discussing the best product I have found. It is a game changer to help keep your products on your face if you are oily combination skin tone. Yes, it is game changing, guys, so stay tuned and I'll tell you all about it. Today, instead of a Test It Out Tuesday, I am going to be doing a Tip Tuesday video. And this tip is all about how to make your makeup stay on your face exactly how you put it on in the morning until the night using one product that helps everything you put on stay in place. Yes, guys. And that product that I'm talking about is the Too Faced Hangover RX 3-in-1 Primer and Makeup Spray. It is both. They have multiple different products. They do have a setting primer. This is not that. This is the 3-in-1. That is the key part that you want to make sure to check out. So I'm going to jump right into showing you guys how I use this product. Then I'm going to come back and talk to you a little bit more about the actual product. So this is the product that is the game changer, guys. It is, I spray a couple sprays on my face before I do anything else. And it is the Too Faced Prime, Set, and Refresh Hangover RX 3-in-1 Replenishing Primer and Setting Spray. It is with coconut water, probiotic-based ingredients, and skin revivers. Silicone-free, alcohol-free, oil-free. This is amazing. Now just let it sit and dry and do the rest of your makeup. All right, guys, at this point, I have done my base makeup. No eye makeup whatsoever, just my face, my bronzer, my blush, my highlight, things like that. And I'm going to go through and spray this on my face again right now. And again, let it sit for a second. And then I'm going to do my eyes and I'll come back and show you what I do next. All right, so all of my makeup is on. I did forget and put my mascara on. Typically, I do this last time before I put my mascara on, but I shake it up, do another spray, and let it dry. All right, guys, so that is how I use this product. This is the same exact look, everything I did. Now let's talk about this actual product. So this is a weightless 3-in-1 coconut water infused mist that primes, sets, and refreshes the makeup while it helps keep your skin hydrated. Its super hydrating multitasking mist can be used as a primer before makeup, a setting spray to keep makeup in place all day, and a midday refresher anytime your skin needs a boost, serving as the perfect cure for a beauty hangover. Its unique blend of coconut water, probiotic-based ingredients, and skin revivers work together to hydrate and brighten your skin while promoting skin's elasticity and tone and smoothing the skin. And it is formulated without any parabens. You can buy the full size, which is this one right here, for $32. There is also a smaller size that you can purchase for $16. I do have that one. I keep it in my travel set. This is a product that has changed my makeup. I mean, literally changed it. I cannot say enough good things. My skin does not feel dry. Some primers make my skin feel very dry and very cakey throughout the day and cracking. This does not do that. You can use it halfway through the day if you're feeling like your makeup is starting, your oils are starting to come through, or you need to set with a little bit of extra powder or anything. Spray this on. It is an amazing refresher. It smells great. I absolutely love this. I can put my makeup on. I went to Florida in November. I put my makeup in the morning. I could refresh it throughout the day and then just touch it up a little bit before I left for the night, spray it again, and I was good to go, guys. It is amazing. It is so good. I am combination oily skin tone. If my skin gets warm, if I've been busy during the day, it breaks down along my forehead and mostly in my jawline. Since I have been using this, that has not happened. I have tried it with all different foundations, all of them. It is crazy, guys. It works with every single one. This product, if you are oily combination skin tone, even if you are dry, this will work for you because it does hydrate your skin, helps to keep those products in place. So this product is a game changer for me. So I hope you guys enjoyed this Tip Tuesday. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to put a comment down below. And as always, guys, if you'd like to see a most recent Test It Out Tuesday, I will put a link over here, and there will be another video over here that might be of interest to you. And as always, if you are not yet subscribed and you enjoy this style of video, I would love if you click that photo of me right down here and follow along. And as always, guys, thank you so much for watching and sticking with me, and have a great day. Bye.